Alright, I'm going to show you how to get the sample variance and the standard deviation using Excel in MyMathLab. Alright, so you're going to click this, and then it's going to give you the option to put in the StatCrunch and Excel. So I'm going to open the data and zoom in. So the first thing I'm going to do is just move this to another cell so you can see the top labels. So the first thing we're going to do is just get the mean, which is going to be just going to be the average of all these numbers added up and then divided by how many you got. Alright, so we got 30.1. So we're going to be using this formula right here, and the sample variance is going to be everything inside of here, and then for the standard deviation, we're just going to square root it. So first thing we're going to do is get the variable and subtract that by the mean. So I'll put this label, x minus the mean. So we're going to press equal sign, click the variable, minus the mean. And for this to copy down, we're going to have to put that $sign in between the b and the 12. And we're just going to drag that down. And next, what we're going to do is square the values. So this is going to be the same operation. We're going to use to square it. Equal sign, the variable, and just drag that down. No need to put the $sign into the equation. Alright, and now next we're just going to add everything together. I'm just going to get the sum, equal sign, sum, and bring it down. Alright, next what we're going to do is just, depending on how many numbers you're using, you're going to press n minus, well, for this instance we got 10, so n minus 1 is going to be 9. We're going to divide that by 9. So equal sign, numerator divided by 9. And this is going to be our sample variance. Alright. And if you're not good with rounding, you can right click and click format cell, and it will bring in and click number. And you could put how many decimal places you want it to round to for whatever the question entails. So it's going to be 2 decimal places. So put it in 2. Alright. And now we're going to get the standard deviation, which is going to be the sample variance square rooted. So to do that, we're just going to press equal sign, square root, SQRT is going to be the square root formula, and click enter. And we need to round to 1 decimal place, so 15.4. Alright, and that's how you're going to do that. And if you wanted to do this problem in StatCrunch without showing your work, you just go to Stat, go to Stat, Summary Stats, do it by columns, and you just click standard deviation right here, and the variance is going to be right there as well, and compute. So yeah, we got a 15.4, just like the answer. Alright, and that's it for this video.